This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Michael Gray. This home has been totally updated. Newer HVAC system, asphalt shingle roof with solar panels, 50% reduction in electric bills, renovated kitchen with stainless steel appliances, refinished hardwood floors, carpeting in upstairs bedrooms, restored deck, built pergola, duct work, gas lines, interior paint, crown molding, renovated bathroom and new bathroom, insulation in crawl and attic, exterior doors, solid core interior doors. Nothing else to do other than enjoy this beautiful home with large family room with decorative fireplace and built-in bookcases, large utility room and ample storage. The home has muti-car parking spaces and features a greenhouse and 2 sheds in the private backyard.